Okay, so today we're going to be talking about regular tense verbs. So there's three types we're going to be, the three main types that we're going to be looking at are verbs that end in AR, verbs that end in ER, and verbs that end in IR. And each of these verbs, what we're going to do is we're going to take off the AR, take off the ER, and take off the IR, and then we're going to add different endings according to the subject pronouns. So for example, looking first at the AR. So the first thing we need to do is take off the AR, and then we're going to add different endings. So for example, yo hablo español. Tú hablas español. So notice that for yo we add an O, for tú we add an AS. Usted, él, and ella, we have the same endings, habla español, habla, and habla. So we just add an A for these three. For nosotros, which is we take off the AR and we add an amos. And then for ellos, ellas, and ustedes, we again take off the AR and we add an AN, so it's hablan. So let's do a review. We say yo hablo, tú hablas, usted habla, él, ella habla, nosotros hablamos, ellos, ellas, and ustedes hablan. For the ER verbs, again what we'll do is we'll take off the ER, and then add the different endings. So for yo it's como, tú comes, usted, él, ella, come, nosotros, comemos, and then ellos, ellas, and ustedes, comen. Okay, so the third verb that we're going to look at is the IR type. Again, we'll take off the IR. And then for the different subject pronouns, we'll say yo, vivo, tú vives, usted, él, ella vive, nosotros vivimos, and then ellos, ellas, and ustedes viven. So one thing that you might want to really think about is that the AR verbs, really they feature an A quite a bit in the endings. The ER and the IR verbs feature E, as you'll see here in the different endings, except for nosotros, which is the ER verbs feature the E in amos, and then the IR verbs feature an I for imos. Comemos and vivimos. Okay.